Ukuleles are a popular selection for musicians nowadays. If you wish to check out one, you have to know first what a tenor ukulele is and why you should purchase it. However, it's not the best choice to begin out the journey. Tenor ukes are bigger in size than concert and sopranos. Additionally, the tenor ukuleles have a more traditional ukulele-like tuning, not like the baritones, which have a guitar-like tuning. In this video we are trying to review top 6 best tenor ukulele in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 1. Donner Tenor Ukulele. Smooth mahogany body produces a crisp and pleasant sound. Highly polished smooth Aquila ukulele strings with elevated resistance to wear under tension. Well-polished smooth rosewood fingerboard and bridge provides a comfortable playability. Semi-open finish with 9-cycle grinding and polishing process. Ukulele mahogany top body and neck bring you much richer, brighter and warmer sound. High-density bone nut and saddle combined with 4 advanced Aquila carbon nylon strings to gain clear and nice resonance and more sustain from mahogany body. Concert ukulele bundle pack includes concert ukulele, gig bag, strap, tuner, 4 extra Aquila nylon strings, 4 picks and cleaning cloth. Meet all needs of both beginners and professionals. Padded gig bag features backpack style with 2 padded shoulder straps, an exterior pocket for easy comfortable carry, and well protection for ukulele. A decent gift for birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, etc. Number 2. Pison 23-inch Hawaii Ukulele. Rosewood panel with 199 Hawaiian traditional manufacturing process with excellent sound, treble bright, mid-range clean deep. Curved back, makes sounds louder and clearer. Three-dimensional sense of stronger. Thumb board and bridge, using rosewood build denser, more delicate and sweet voice. Learning is easy. Pison concert ukulele is tuned and tested well before shipment. Just use your fingers to play, and it can make a wonderful music that will make you have a good mood all day long. It is C-type 23-inch concert ukuleles. Not only has S-shaped 21-inch ukulele sound brittle and easy to carry the advantages, but also has a T-shaped 26-inch excellent sound. Not only suitable for singing and playing, fingerstyle effect is also very good. Excellent configuration, fully enclosed string button, peach core wood handle body, fiber string pillow. We also equipped with tuner and capo clamps. Number 3. Tenor Ukulele 26-inch Mahogany. Tenor ukulele crafted from the mahogany body provides a clearer and warmer tonality to the ukulele. Fuller and richer sounding than concert ukulele as its bigger body size. Unique arched back design strengthens the resonance, making it sound clearer, fuller and warmer with longer sustain. 26-inch tenor ukulele combines the high-polished mahogany for the smooth body and C-shaped neck. Lightweight and well-built designs allow you to create warm and perfect ukulele harmonies, also easy to handle and lightweight for carrying. Low-action design deducts string pressure, pressing feels very comfortable under the fingers, thus pretty suited for beginners. Modern C-shaped neck with a shallow flattened oval sports an ultra-comfortable contour for a smoother and easier practice. A smooth fretboard with neat fret wire provides comfortable playability. Number 4. Ukulele Tenor Size Bundle from Lohanu. Soprano, 21 in, is suitable for adults with small hands and children age 8 and under. Concert, 24 in, is most popular and has wider spaced frets. Concert is recommended for most adults and children age 9 and up. Tenor, 26 in, is recommended for adults with large hands. Almost professional sounding instrument, produces a deeper, louder, longer sustained and fuller sound than a flatback or a cheap solid wood ukulele. Beautiful design sapele wood, premium white bindings all around ukulele body and neck. Chrome shiny tuning gears, keeps in perfect tuning. Includes 2 strap buttons installed, tuner, padded case, picks, extra super Aquila nilgut strings. Exclusive leather pick and uke hanger. All accessories easily $40 to $50 value. Bonus free exclusive step-by-step video lessons for beginners at a perfect pace, not too fast. 15+ lessons. Digital songbooks included. Learn through favorite ukulele sing-along songs and Hawaiian songs. Not available to public. $30-40 plus value. Number 5. Caramel CT904 Ebony Tenor. Caramel CT904 26-inch tenor ukuleles are made of ebony wood with beautiful wood grain patterns, makes the perfect choice for moonlit beach strolls and bonfire sing-alongs, as well as a guaranteed conversation starter in any performance setting. Looking outward, mahogany neck yields rich sustain, and a versatile playing experience for a wide range of hand sizes. Caramel ukuleles are the instrument of choice for both professional and beginners. 3 bands EQ built-in tuner with LCD color display. Ready this one-of-a-kind acoustic electric for natural-sounding sound reproduction into an amp, PA or recording medium. Caramel ukulele sounds almost like a pricey professional ukulele. Luthiers tuned it one by one before we ship your ukulele out. No worries for beginners player or kids either. Start your musician journey with a real wood ukulele, stop buying plastic toys. Tenor ukuleles, 26-inch size is better than concert, only 3 inches bigger, but with better sound and wider spaced frets which are better for adults, novices, intermediate player, or professionals who starts to practice on. This ukulele pack is your best choice. Tune GCEA. We are not the cheapest one, but we are the best buys. Number 6. Ranch Tenor Ukulele. The acoustic tenor ukulele arched back to give longer sustain, fuller, warmer, and a bit deeper woody tones sound that are a pleasure to listen to. Having soft and smooth to touch keyless strings definitely helps to make the sound that comes out of it resonate pretty clear and sweet, which also holds tune through multiple plays very nicely. Chrome die-cast tuning pegs keeps ukuleles in tune. It is as simple as tightening a screw. The digital tuner is easy to tune and play. It stays in tune longer than normal out of the box and offers a bright and distinctive tone whether you solo, play along with singing, or jam with friends. With 12 free video online lessons, easy to follow. This Ranch Tenor ukulele's 26-inch size is better than concert uke, only 3 inches bigger, but with better sound and wider spaced frets which are better for adults, novices, intermediate player, or professionals who starts to practice on. This ukulele pack is your best choice. Everything you need for a ukulele kit is here, installed with a keyless strings plus well-padded 10mm gig bag plus digital tuner plus microfiber polishing cloth plus an extra set of keyless strings plus strap plus step-by-step 12 online lessons. We've prepared everything for a beginner you need. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.